What is up, guys? This is Iron Throttle. I just added some saddlebags to the Iron 1200, 2019 Iron 1200 from Viking Bags. I'm telling you guys right now, if you guys are looking for some hard saddlebags, look no further. Viking Bags killed it with this, and I've seen some of their bags in the past, and I can tell you they've improved from the past. I'll kind of tell you a little bit why right now, but this is what it looks like. Man, I'm loving it, by the way. So the cool thing is that they have these cuts here, so that way for the suspension, since the Sportster has it in the sides, doesn't mess with the bags. And I love carrying this because this is my daily, so I have things all the time in here. I have some gym clothes, my food, still got space for a med kit, and then inside both sides they actually have like zipper bags. So, and then like I said, I use this for work daily. It's my daily, and open it, got a large jacket in there, got all my stuff, gloves, lock, wallet, AirPods, another zipper bag in there, so in case you need to put like important documents or some smaller things, like maybe some keys. Very useful. Like I said, the cutout, loving it. And then what I love about it is that before, Viking Bags used to have this thing where you would need to lock it with your key in order to take out the key. Now you can just have it unlocked at all times, and then you just close it with this lever right here, and it won't open. So huge upgrade with that. I know in the past they've used other stuff. It's very easy to lock, so comes with 2 keys. Got one here, just lock it. They won't be able to open it. They can try, but they won't be successful. Goes on both sides. I'm telling you right now though, if you guys are looking for hard saddlebags, these look really nice on the bike, and they do more than the job. I used to carry a backpack everywhere, even if I didn't have anything, and I would strap it on my sissy bar. But right now I'm even thinking of taking off the sissy bar just to give it a little bit of cleaner look. I don't know yet, maybe I'll just leave it on there. But the point is that with these saddlebags, you'll be able to carry everything that you need. I'll be doing a camping trip soon too, and I'll be taking these saddlebags, and I'll be taking my Dagger sissy bar bag, and I don't think I'll be needing anything else. So if you guys are looking for hard saddlebags, I'm telling you, Viking Bags is the way to go. Shout out to Viking Bags. Thank you for sending me these out. I'll be doing a review, long-term review, since I do ride a lot. Like I said, it's my daily. I'm gonna be going camping, a lot of summer trips planned, so keep an eye out for my further review. You guys can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I'm Iron Throttle, and